Hello guys, good morning. So today is 19th of July and we have departed from Ogishima after discharging propane and taking bunkers of 2 grades. So now we are proceeding to second port of discharge, that is Sendai. And after departure, pilot is already disembarked and weather is very bad. As you can see, it's raining heavily. We have a gust of around 20 to 25 knots and sometime it is squalling as well. And we have our lookout as well, number 1 lookout. So in case of any vessel he sees, he report to me and then we take action accordingly. So now the rain is very heavy. See, visibility is also gone. So we are in restricted visibility. So the only mode of navigation we have right now is radar and visual navigation. So we are proceeding to next port Sendai at slow speed and we'll be departing from Sendai in couple of days. We'll be going to loading port. And the port is not confirmed yet, but once we discharge in our next port, so loading port will be confirmed and then we go to loading. We might go to Canada for loading, so that is in Prince Rupert, Canada. So let's see what comes ahead of us. We may face some stormy weather there because we'll be going to northern latitudes. The port is on 54 degree north, so let's see. We'll face some cold weather and heavy weather as well. Wind is very high. I came outside to see, but wind is too much. I think you can hear the sound of wind. It's too windy outside. So it's better I go inside. I have a late lunch. Hello guys, good evening. Sun is setting and we are anchored outside our second discharge port, that is Sendai. So after this we will be discharging half of our cargo in Sendai and we are proceeding for loading in Canada, Prince Rupert. So there we will be, I think, pretty cold and we are going to more north latitude. So 54 degrees north we will be going max. So let's see what is waiting ahead of us. We will have some storms because in North Pacific Oceans this is the time when the storms are building up. So we will face some storms and we will have some rough weather rolling and pitching as well. So let's see, let's hope for the best and sail around. So we are at anchor and I'm about to finish my watch and visibility has reduced now. So I will show you how the restricted visibility looks like. It looks like this. So visibility is reduced. I cannot even see the forward of the vessel. I can just see the midship section of the vessel and forward part I cannot see, and rest all the vessel near us, whosoever is anchored, I cannot see them. So this is the condition of restricted visibility. Hello guys, welcome to another bright sunny day. So we have departed from our last port of discharge, that is Sendai, and now we are proceeding to Canada for loading. So this is the start of new voyage, so I am planning to cover whatever things we do on the voyage. So I will try to cover most of the things. So the expected weather is also going to deteriorate and we are expecting some storms ahead of us. So let's see, we'll keep on checking the storm warnings, weather warnings, and we'll try to avoid. Let's see what is coming ahead of us. Our voyage is of around 12 days to Prince Rupert, Canada, and then we will load and then most probably we are coming back to Japan for discharging. So let's see, I will try to capture most of the things and we will see what comes ahead of us in the voyage. सुनो सुनो, ये सुनते ही नहीं हो, सुनो, सुनने को राजी नहीं है कोई. Hello guys, welcome to another day at sea. So after departing from Japan, we are approaching to our next loading port and this voyage has started. This is a new voyage. We'll be going for loading and after departing, first day was full of rain. So it was raining full day. As you can see, now the rain has just stopped, but full day from morning till evening it was raining. As you can see, my deck is also wet and there also you can see the weather is very cloudy. It was cloudy the whole day. All around us, clouds are there. So the weather will be cloudy till we reach there as per the weather reports. But let's see. We are monitoring the atmospheric pressures and temperatures and weather warnings. As you can see, pressure now is 1010. So as we approach to a low, the pressure drops. So this is the indication for us that we are approaching a low pressure area. So that time we try to avoid that low pressure, or we do the avoiding mitigation measures. So we are approaching to Prince Rupert now. These are some weather routing information we get while we approach. So this is Japan and this is west coast of North America. So right now we have departed from here, east coast of Japan, and we will be going to east. So we will be going somewhere here. Our port is this. So we will be crossing North Pacific Oceans, and these are the Aleutian Islands. So we will be going south of Aleutian Islands. So we will be going like this. So in between we will get low area here, high pressure area here, high pressure, low pressure area. So the storm keeps on building in this area. So we will go as per this, and we have some other weather reporting also. So we have this software where weather is updated on day-to-day basis. So we keep on receiving the files, whatever the storms are creating, we come to know. So right now we are here. So once we approach, we will come to know what all things are happening, or we can animate also, like how the weather is approaching and how the weather will change once we move further. So I have just created an animation. So this is the position of our ship and it is moving. Like I have selected 12 hours. So every 12 hours the weather will change. So it is indicating the weather which is changing. So on top of us, one low is traveling with us. So this keeps on changing. Once we move ahead, this weather reporting also changes, and we come to know what all low pressures are building ahead of us. So we deviate from the route accordingly. So right now we are facing this weather. It's cloudy out there. No traffic, no vessels around us. So let's wait. Right now we are on 60 RPM. We are on half ahead. So we are on super slow speed. We are doing almost 11.5 knots. So this is our speed right now. So we are here somewhere here, east coast of Japan, and we are going easterly like this, south of Aleutian Island, and then we will be reaching our loading port, that is Prince Rupert, on west coast of North America.